My name is Mohammed Tayyub. I am from Malawi. I'm a pharmacist there and I run a couple of pharmacies there. My wife wanted to come to India for a visit, which meant that our kids were on holiday. And in order for them to not drive us insane at home and allow us to commit suicide, we said that we were looking for something to keep them extremely busy. At school, academically, they're challenged. Back home, they are doing the English curriculum. And so we were looking for something that was out of the box that wasn't being provided in our school. So we looked at coding and we came across this lovely club, 10X Club, Tech Club, and the reviews were excellent. So we contacted them and they were very, very helpful in sorting us out the curriculum in 6 weeks instead of 4 months. They made plans for us to ensure that both kids get everything done, and obviously both our kids are at different levels. One is going to year 6, the other is going to year 4. They also adapted and managed that for us. The kids seem to be really enjoying that instead of the academic side of things that we put them in, and they were always looking forward to coming to this club. And from the Capstone projects that we observed today, we're very grateful to 10X Club for everything that they have done, because it's allowed us to see what they've learned throughout the journey, and also for all the videos and evidence that they have captured for us. So for me, my recommendation is definitely, we do a lot of academic stuff. This is out of the box. I think that it's really important for all kids to do something like this. Thank you.